Semwayo.
Yes, sir.
Semwayo. Where are you from?
Zimbabwe.
Oh, Zimbabwe. Shona. You speak Shona. Kishona.
Man, how you know? How you know that Zimbabwe speaks Shona?
Cause mimi najua lugha nyingine. Mimi nasema kidogo lugha ya Kiswahili na
A little bit of Swahili.
oh kidogo tu.
A little bit of Swahili, but yeah, we speak Shona.
Shona,
yes.
yeah. I know about that language though.
Yeah, we speak Shona.
Kishona.
Wow, how you know?
Because I study other languages, so I know a lot of the languages that the areas where.
Why? Just like that? Yeah.
Yeah.
We speak Shona, yeah.
You speak any other languages?
Ndebele.
Oh, Ndebele.
Yeah.
That's a local language.
A local language in South Africa.
Oh.
That's the language which is used in South Africa. Zulu, Xhosa, Ndebele.
Oh,
South
okay.
Africa, Namibia, a little bit in Swaziland.
Oh. Sakubona mnazane.
Ngiyabonga baba, liyakhuluma ha?
Mina ngikhuluma isiZulu kancane.
Wow, Moses, come on now. You just smile, man. The last time I spoke this kind of language was in December, man. Last year when I went back home, so.
Ngoba.
Angilisebenzisi. Khadi lakhona angilisebenzisi kakhulu. Yeah. Meaning I don't use that card so much.
Yebo mnamzane.
Yeah. Moses, you man. Wow. Especially on Ndebele and Shona, man, you really surprised me. I was not just expecting that really. No. That was the last thing I was expecting to hear from you, man, to say
Kishona.
Zimbabwe, Shona,
Yeah.
just like that. Wow. Wow.
Kuhle kakulu.
Kuhle kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga.
But man, I was so impressed when you said Zimbabwe, Shona, man.
Yeah, because nobody know that.
Nobody. No.
They don't even know where Zimbabwe is.
They don't even know where Zimbabwe. When you say next to South Africa, then they, oh yeah, I know South Africa. Okay, I know for sure everybody knows South Africa, but to say Zimbabwe and then you hit it right on the nail, Shona. I'm so impressed.
All right, nice to meet you, man.
Nice meeting you, boss. Thank you very much, Moses.
Salekale.
Yebo baba, ngiyabonga.
Salekale.
Hamba kuhle.
Nabat. Siyantai. Ladanya.
Somalia.
Waxaan baranayaa af Soomaali. Maya. Waxaan ahay Maraykan, laakiin waxaan rabaa inaan luuqada nan baro. Yeah. Well, why can't
If you want a Somali lady, you can marry a Somali woman.
Well, run ahaantii waxaan na qabaja. Na qabaja.
Not Pata.
Haskey.
Somali.
Maya.
America.
Hof Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Hof Taiwan
You have
tahay.
to switch to Somalia.
Maya.
Chinese and Taiwanese.
Taiwanese.
You know Chinese?
Dabaan.
Ni hao ma.
One hao. Yeah.
Very good, man. Somali. How do you know Somali?
Somali.
Somali people.
No. Af Somali aan ku hadlano.
Somali. Okay, yeah, but Somali. Somali ku baratay.
Oh, kaliya yaa baratay.
Kaliya.
Kaliya yaa baratay. Sidoo kale.
Kaliya baa bartay.
Aniga is baray.
Adaa is baray.
Sidoo kale marka aan luqadaha kale marka aan luqadaha kale baranayo sidaas barato sidaas luqadaha
dadka ka barataa Contestant.
Shakay. What's up? What's up? Yeah, I think. Hey, look at
We're from Nigeria.
Oh, you Igbo Yoruba house. Yoruba. Oh.
Okay.
Ekaro. Yeah. Ede Yoruba dumpo po latiko.
Wow.
Boti lejepe oshoro dia latimo.
What?
Yeah, Ede Yoruba.
How many languages do you speak?
She said.
What?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Kini Irin Red.
Kini.
Oruko.
Oruko Red.
Demi. Oruko mini Moses. Boti lejepe. Oruko Yoruba mini ekute. Ekute.
Where are you from?
America.
How come you understand Yoruba? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I know a little bit of Yoruba. I
You do more than a little. How did you know so much?
I just have a book at home. I just read and stuff.
You did well. What?
She was surprised. She said, "What?"
I mean, it's not like you said hello and that's it. You are talking, you are communicating with me. But you carried on. I'm
gonna learn more in the future, but right now I'm learning other languages seriously. I just picked up like some phrases and stuff for Yoruba.
Well, you do great. I'm proud of you.
Écoutez, you know écoutez. Écoutez. This is Oruko Yoruba meaning écoutez.
You know what écoutez is?
Yeah, écoutez.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Odabo.
Yeah.
Odabo.
Wow, that's good. I'm impressed.
She said she's impressed.
I'm really impressed. That's good.
Oh, language?
This is iba't ibang wika, teaching language.
Meron ka bang mga
What?
credentialing?
I don't think it's human being. Let's check him out.
Because it's like
Wait.
I don't think it's a human being.
She don't.
Are you going to plead if I...
He's a robot. He's C3PO.
C3PO.
What?
You been here for a while? Oh, okay. What hold to say? What to say in there? What the tree? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm back.
You know a lot of them there.
What free America? What free America? Me pesa me suyen trika sa sesia.
How did you go visit or something?
Debbie. Me suyen sesia. Me suyen chi what me fie.
Who was it?
Ane.
What do you like?
Eastern.
Okay.
Yeah. Sunset. Hey, every say. I can't.
If you're on the north side, there's a lot of.
Yeah. I can't for but bread tiha. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but bread.
You learned it. See, not probably you learned it.
I just learned. I just practiced. Hey, your bro. What did say? Oh, Kwame. You Wednesday, huh?
Saturday.
Or Saturday. Oh, I got it mixed up. Saturday. Medinde Yao. Yao.
My dad was your friend of Yao.
Oh, Ampa?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah.
Me ni je hun se Messia madame fu.
They look at you different too.
That's definitely impressive, man. Trust me. It's 2 months to learn that.
But I'm not fluent yet. I just.
You're damn near fluent. You get lost in Ghana, you good. You see some words real quick. All those people again.
It just be like, what?
He's like, I wanna.
You have an American book. What do you know about my life, man?
The name is more communication night.
Oh, okay.
Andamana.
Andamana is Amarnya. From Ethiopia.
Amaninga mekanyat amaninga le malalo. Amaninga le malalo. Ahun.
Tomorrow? Where?
Betewust amaninga le malalo. Betewust.
Oh yeah, okay.
Bete chamaring kayene guadenoch.
Okay.
Amaninga yene garale.
Wow. Get out of here, man. Let me see your ID.
Huh?
Let me see your ID.
He said. That's funny.